curved display phone? What's special about it?
Introducing the Realme 10 Pro series, a breakthrough curved screen device with top-class quality and design built into every detail. A standout curved screen device with a design unique in its class.
Unique? How?
This is the result of 16 months of research and development and a $15 million investment. A super immersive screen with Realme's narrowest chin ever.
It's pretty impressive.
The Super Symmetry design was precisely tuned for a supreme in-hand feel. And
what?
superior gaming experience with world-class touch response. With 2160Hz high-frequency dimming technology, it even protects your eyes in the dark. Now, let's start with the next generation viewing experience.
That's awesome.
Reach for new possibilities and break into new horizons with the Realme 10 Pro Plus. It's your portal to a better world.